EDC / pocket dump video. Starting off with water. Got the Nalgene 32-ounce glow-in-the-dark water bottle with a 5-pound carabiner weight load limit, just to hold the carabiner so it don't give. Got 2 Moleskine pads journals. This one's a little bit heavier duty. It's more rigid. This one's kind of put it in your butt pocket. Got the Owlet. Still like this wallet. It's got the ripstop parachute material. Got the large, or actually I'm sorry, it's extra large Night Eyes phone case for my phone. It's the LG Z1 Optimus Pro by AT&T. It's a good phone. It's a big phone. Paracord bracelet. It's about 20 feet of paracord wrapped around here, double wrapped. I don't know how well you can see that. Got it's a depth finder. It's by Humminbird wristwatch with the RSS feeder, so you can transmit, and it's got a graph on here. Pretty cool little watch. I'm trying to give a simulation. There it comes. This is what it would look like if you actually had it in the water. And there'll be a little fish that'll pop up around there showing actual fish if you were in the water. But I can do a separate review if y'all want me to. I'm currently carrying the Fury Auto Assist. Just a little beater knife. Picked it up at the Army Surplus store in town. Also, sometimes I carry, and I was actually carrying this today as well, butterfly knife. They're illegal to carry in our states, so don't say you can't carry them. Check your laws. F301 Zebra Bowl pen goes along with the writing tablet. My Micro Maxpedition pouch, slam full. Got a hank of paracord in there. Night Eyes keychain beaner with the lock and key S beaners. These are rated, they said, for 2 pounds, so not sure why, but they are what they are. Got a chapstick in here. This is a little keychain dental pick. Keep your teeth clean. It's got a hairband of my wife's in there, so if she ever needs it. Got a spare one. Let's see. Let's go in order. Got a Bear Grylls folder. It's just a small one. Gerber. Thing of super glue in a small tube. Mini Bic lighter. Bright orange, so if I drop it outside I can see it. Moist wipes. Also got back here some book matches. Insect protection cream. That's all in there. And going back over here, got a micro Sharpie, bright green, mini Las Vegas pen when I went to Vegas a long time ago. This is a Zebra telescopic pen. It's very small. I'll show you beside the Micro Bic, because everybody knows about what size they are. And this is it pulled out. Full size writing pen, and you can just twist the cap like that. Let's see. I have this is a knife sharpener, and it has a hook sharpener built into it. There's a little indentation. This is just a single AAA battery Walmart special flashlight. Push button, nothing special. 4-bit screwdriver, large, small, on both sides. This is the Doohickey keychain Night Eyes tool. It's got a wedgie bar. It's got a bottle opener, some hex heads. Still got the Gerber clutch, mini pliers. Let's see. This is from when I wore glasses a long time ago. Just a microfiber cloth that I just kept in here for my phone or tablet. And that's the pouch. Draw this over. Newest thing I've got is the REI Day Hiker. It's for 2 people for 1 day. I think it's 31-piece kit. Inside I've added a few things. Oh, 1 second. I'm shooting this with my phone, so sorry for all the shaking. I've added the skin shield. It's when you get a real bad cut, it's like super glue, but it doesn't have all the chemical super glue has. Then I've added, let's see, what else did I put in here? Just some topical relief stuff. It was extra. It was on sale at REI as well, so went and picked that up. Insect bites, stings, minor burns. Can't ever have too much stuff. Let's see. Got my medication. I take calcium and certain other medications on a daily basis. So. Then I have just my EDC bag that stays in the truck. I can do a separate video on this because it's getting kind of long. Keep some hand sanitizer on it as well. I do a lot of scrapping and metal work, so try and stay clean, get junk out of the hands. This is pretty cool. Pick this at the dollar store. Little hat light. Pretty good. And that's all. I'm going to do some more videos later. And since it is summertime and I'm outside more, so I'll take care. And this is Justin Green. Y'all have a good day. Bye.